So if you're looking for a deep comparison between these two popular e-commerce platforms, CommerceHQ versus Shopify, that can help you in a dropshipping business in 2020, then you are in the right videos. So in this video, I'm going to compare CommerceHQ versus Shopify in terms of transaction fees, setting up pricing, built-in features, themes, creation of store, customer support channels, and a lot of more. At the end of the videos, I will summarize the scorecard for you on both e-commerce platforms, CommerceHQ versus Shopify. Get 2 others store for free in CommerceHQ or 90 days trial in Shopify. Which one will you choose? Ready? Let's do it! Welcome back to the videos. On my last video, I shared you about the review on CommerceHQ in depth. What are the pros and cons, what are the features, and what are the CommerceHQ able to conquer some of the market share in dropshipping industry. If you missed the video, click the link above and go to my previous videos. Not only that, I did slot in a video on a review on CommerceHQ apps, which is all the built-in 21 apps in CommerceHQ to start your online dropshipping business. What are the apps that I like and what are the apps that are not applicable for the beginner user. If you missed the video as well, click on the link above and go to my previous video. Hi, my name is macklauss. Some of my friends will just call me MK. I'm a full-time digital marketer and now building up my own YouTube channels, mostly on share my knowledge on how to making money online. If you are first time watching my video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell. And don't forget, leave me a comment on what type of challenging you are facing in your dropshipping business or anything related with e-commerce. Perhaps I can make some video for you. Shopify is a household name in e-commerce as it has been known for years as one of the best e-commerce platforms for creating an online store for dropshipping and few others online business. Over the years, Shopify has been served several online business owners and entrepreneurs and its popularity has no one. However, just like other business, there is several other high quality competitors that are truly give Shopify a run for its money. One of the related news platforms available today is CommerceHQ. Today, we will take a look at CommerceHQ versus Shopify to help online business owners note their various features and the best choice between these two e-commerce platforms. Similarly, this CommerceHQ versus Shopify video will provide more information on advantages and disadvantages of their platform, the cost, and a lot of more like transaction fees, setup price, built-in features, themes, creation of store, customer support channels, and a lot of more. Take your time and check it out our detailed comparisons. CommerceHQ is an e-commerce platform that is used by entrepreneurs to launch their online store. It's regarded as one of the best e-commerce platforms that can help you generate more sales, revenues, and profit for your online business. The e-commerce platform was founded by John Mack, who is an author and a speaker as well as an e-commerce expert. Shopify is a powerful online store that is also used by entrepreneurs to start, run, and grow their e-commerce business. The platform has everything you need to sell product online, on social media, or in person. It is a Canadian multinational e-commerce company headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario, which was founded by Tobias Roos, Daniel Wingnuts, and Scott Lake. So without delay, let's zoom in into a comparison between these two platforms, CommerceHQ versus Shopify, head to head. First one, we are talking about the transaction fee. If you are using CommerceHQ, do not attach any processing fees. In another word, you do not have to pay any transaction fees to get the best out of yours. CommerceHQ, as long as you are able to get a payment processor that can charge low fees and do not require transaction fees. Since Shopify uses third-party gateway for processing payment, you will be charged for your transactions. There are also a credit card rate of 2.9% as well as 30 cents for each transaction. If you are not activate your Shopify payment, you will have to pay the Shopify payment fees about 2% per transactions. On CommerceHQ, you can get the startup just with a $99 per month for the basic plan. Although this is better and more costly, the basic plan is good enough for most individuals that are just started their e-commerce store. With a basic plan, online business owner can sell products up to about 30,000 per month. So with less than 120, you can make as much as 360,000 per year. But now with the link below, you can get additional 2 more stores for free. So average out just $33 per store. So the question is now, do I need to have a 3 store in my startup? So leave me a comment below, share me how do you plan if you have 3 store in your startup. Meanwhile, on Shopify, their basic plan to start is $29 per month plus some additional fees that can help you to get more out of the Shopify store. If you are buying the yearly basic plan, the Shopify will offer you a discount at a lower price, which is $26 each month. The advanced plan for Shopify go for $299 per month and are provided a lot of features that optimize your online store. On CommerceHQ come with a free app store. In another word, you can download all the awesome built-in apps that you need to start up and operate your online store without paying any single cents. The best part is there is no need for you to configure these applications. One of the super awesome app called Accelerator app is provide weekly winning products, ad copy, target interest group, as well as 20-second promo video. I have a full review on the CommerceHQ app on my previous videos, so check it out if you missed this. When using Shopify, you have to access to load a third-party app that you can buy a different price. The major of the user do not consider the cost of this app when they're setting up of a Shopify, and this could be lead a dramatic increased cost of running their own online store. This CommerceHQ come with several awesome built-in features that will help you maximize your online business. Some of the essential features CommerceHQ including automatic cards, advanced reporting, abandoned cart recovery, CVS, exported builder, unlimited file storage, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited product, unlimited staff account, inventory management, click upsells, 99% uptime, upset, campaign builder, native app, related product, visual store builder, currency converter apps, coupon code, SSL secure checkout, checkout place. This is well worth to note that CommerceHQ does not have discount code are present on Shopify. Meanwhile, on Shopify, since there are different plans for Shopify, the features are not the same for all the plans. The basic plan have only few features, while the advanced plan come with all the amazing features that you need to take your e-commerce store to the next level. The features of all the plans of Shopify include unlimited online storage, unlimited products, unlimited bandwidth, staff account, customer support, online sales channel, Shopify point of sale, discount code, manual order creation, finance report, fraud analysis, overview dashboard. You can also get the third-party plugin for the certain features such as advanced report builder, gift card, real-time carrier shipping. So let's talk about our CommerceHQ first. For those that are developers, they can make use of tweaks to create a full functional template that can be customized to suit their specific needs. However, if you cannot develop a website on your own, you can visit the theme store to select the template and suit to your style. It should be noted that Shopify do not offer you an option to use a template for a customize of your store. You can have a choice, one of the paid or the free themes that provided by Shopify or third-party developer, and then design your online store yourself. On CommerceHQ provide all the assistance that you need to build an aesthetic store that can catch the attention of your prospective customer. With tons of a team that great page at your disposal, you can easily create a beautiful store for your online business. For me, within an hour, I can create my e-commerce store from scratch using the various templates and the templates provided by CommerceHQ. Also, it's easy to create a store with this theme and pages, as you only have to drag and drop them. Therefore, you do not have to spend money to hiring a coders to set up your store because all the elements you need to get started are within your reach. Generally, Shopify is also well known of creating a stunned online store that will assist you to sell your product quickly. Similarly, Shopify eases the process of creating and upgrading your store. In fact, you can set up your store and add every important features it needs yourself. When comparing CommerceHQ versus Shopify, the customer support service of a CommerceHQ is not really great. From us, the platform use a ticket system for customer support is do not provide live chat or phone. This sometimes makes it difficult for a client to get a quick and reliable assistance on any issue that they may be dealing with. And alternately, you can get a support from the community on the CommerceHQ Facebook group. You also can get a lot of information about how to use the e-commerce platform through free weekly live Q&A call with John Mack, who are the founder of CommerceHQ. Furthermore, this Facebook group help provide various business and users of CommerceHQ to connect with each of others, get features assistance on the various subjects related to the e-commerce. The customer support of Shopify is undoubtedly one of the best of you can get from any e-commerce platform. You can get help from the agent through different means such as a phone, open chat, and email. These different mediums can get assistance, give user Shopify expectational experience. Although the support for the phone call and a 24/7 live chat that can access in English language only, customer can enjoy 24/7 email support in the several language. The support language can be included in English, Spanish, German, Chinese, Japanese, Sweden, French, Italian, Dutch, and Portuguese. A lot of apps that you can use with CommerceHQ are specifically designed to ensure that user can get help with conversions. This app allows you to access a top quality reportings and improvements so that you can improve the shopping cart features of your store on CommerceHQ, which on Shopify, this type of built-in conversion features are not available within the basic plan on Shopify. However, if you are subscribed for more advanced costly plan, you can have unlimited access to them. Therefore, two platforms offer assistance with conversions. On the CommerceHQ platform, you do not have to worry about paying for the SSL certificate of your e-commerce store, as CommerceHQ offer a free SSL certificate. This is one of the great ways through which CommerceHQ makes sure that customer can enjoy a quality service at a relative low cost. On Shopify platform, just like CommerceHQ, Shopify provides free SSL certificate to all the e-commerce store owners. On CommerceHQ, there are free web hosting service for every CommerceHQ store. To the large extent, the whole service perform excellently, so buyers do not have to worry about paying any hosting service platform. On Shopify, this popular platform also provide free web hosting. Since the professionals of Shopify are come in charge of the hosting service, customers enjoy top of the line web hosting service that ensure that their e-commerce store get 100% uptime. On CommerceHQ, it does not offer any support for mobile user. As a result, this is not possible for you to use the mobile applications to access your e-commerce platform and execute any tasks. This may limit of the user to access their store while they are on the move. Shopify have a mobile apps that allow users to take care of their online business right their mobile phone. This is on the mobile application easy process of monitoring your business and taking care of the needs of your client. On the CommerceHQ, the currency provided by the CommerceHQ are only few. Therefore, you may not able to receive a payment from your customer who are prefer to pay in a currency that are not available in a CommerceHQ. With regard CommerceHQ versus Shopify, Shopify wins the battle by support of a currency, as the e-commerce support a lot of currency. In another word, your customer can pay a payment with a different currency that they are using. This thing help to improve the ease of the purchasing of any product on your e-commerce store. Hence, it can lead to increase your sales. On CommerceHQ platform, they hardly provide any kind of a discount code that can assist you to save money on their charges. However, CommerceHQ do not have many extra charges. Hence, discount code do not seem to be important. Meanwhile, Shopify provide discount code from time to time. This essential of the code is ensure the customers can enjoy discounted price when they are paying for their ongoing monthly fees. In a nutshell, choosing CommerceHQ versus Shopify to kickstart your online business or dropshipping business is a great idea, as each of the platform provide you with various extraordinary features. These features are designed to ensure that you can execute on your online store with ease. So if you are unfamiliar with how CommerceHQ work, you should consider as a good e-commerce platform to consider if you do not want to use Shopify. As shown clearly in this video, CommerceHQ versus Shopify, CommerceHQ tend to be easier to use than Shopify. It also provides the online business owner everything they need to start their business and make money online. However, any beginners who are ready to follow the basic infrastructure to set up their e-commerce store can easily find their way around these two e-commerce platforms. When considering the initial payment to set up your store. Shopify seems to be cheaper and more convenient. Nevertheless, you may have to pay extra more to buy extra plugin and apps on Shopify. In fact, you may have to spend as much as $200 to add all the necessary third-party tools and themes. Hence, you will likely spend more to run your store on Shopify when it's comparing to CommerceHQ. As conclude the debate between CommerceHQ versus Shopify, each of these platforms offers same advantages over others. Hence, you can be certain to enjoy a lot of amazing features if you choose any of these platforms. However, if you are looking for an e-commerce platform that is cheap for long run, offer free access to load of an app, and are easy to operate, CommerceHQ is the platform that we recommend to you. So if you ask me, CommerceHQ versus Shopify, definitely CommerceHQ is worth in trying. In the long run, we'll keep Spy 2 off the road. So choose your platform wisely, because your e-commerce platform is your first business partner in your journey. Thank you for watching. If you're first time watch my video, please hit the subscribe button and as well as turn on the bell. I will share a lot of tips, information on dropshipping business, and later on we'll share a lot of how to making money online as well. So my vision is to form the best digital marketing team in the world, and my mission is to provide my knowledge to empower young online entrepreneurs to create the positive change toward their life. So please give me a thumbs up and please leave me a comment below. If you have any thought, ideas and things that you want to share with me, I'm welcome and I will personally reply all of them personally. So good luck in your dropshipping store.